Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Inshallah khair. We'll discuss about Oman visas. Oman government allowed work visa, tourist visa, family visa. All visas are open, but only online application will be accepted. I mean, if you want to apply for any visa, you have to apply online. Either you can do yourself, either you can ask any Sana Service Center, typing center, either your sponsor company or BAB, they will do this. Only online application will be entertained. Especially tourism visas. Tourism visa will be provided only those people who will come through tourism companies and the hotels. There is like many you cannot get the tourism visa, the tourist visa. You have to contact to any tourism company and the hotels, those providing tourism services, and those application will be accepted. Like from the agents and from many here and there, all those tourist visa you will not get. Only tourism companies and hotels. And for other visas, all other visas will be entertained only online. You have to submit online applications only. And it's open from 30th November, while family visa, business express visa was already open in beginning of November. So today is 1st December, inshallah khair. Hopefully in new year there will be a good news as well regarding NOC, job change NOC. And we hope and we strongly believe that really they will remove the NOC option while we are changing job, but there will be certain condition. Those did not reveal yet, but there will be some other options we have to fulfill. Then we can transfer to another employer without NOC, or we can change job without NOC. So as soon as possible they release more news about it. We'll share that also. Please take care always. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.